Welcome to the HUD, everyone. I'm Zacharoni, and today I'm going to do something a bit different on this channel. For I'll be taking a look at a game I'll be playing for the first time and showing my first reaction to it in 5 parts. Today's game will be Brothers, A Tale of Two Sons, developed by Star Spree Studios and directed by Joseph Fares, who went on to make A Way Out with Haze-like Studios. Now I want to start this show off with this game because I heard a lot of good things about it, and I want to tribute it to Totalbiscuit, who has passed away at a young age this year. While I was looking at his old videos, he said that this was his favorite game of all time, dethroning the original Deus Ex, and now I'm going to find out why this game is so special to him. Just a quick note before we start, you won't be hearing a lot of sounds from the main game because I didn't do the in-game volume right during recording, but you will be hearing a lot of my voice though. I would do another video, but it just wouldn't be that believable compared to this one, if you know what I mean. So without further ado, please be seated, and here are the leftovers of Brothers, A Tale of Two Sons. Oh dear. Something must have happened here. Hmm? Hmm. Oh dear. Oh, oh dear. I mean, he did it best. He would just... Well, I can't really describe what... Well, can't really describe how to... Maybe he would... I would say he's young or not strong enough, but that would be a bit too harsh, really. I think that's the only language they speak, really. Oh, oh, oh dear. Another one. Oh, big brother, little brother. Hold one, one trigger. Well, hold the other trigger. Okay. Oh wait, I just realized. I think this is both analog sticks you control. Yeah, I heard people saying about this. Really. So it looks like I have to utilize both analog sticks for both characters. So forget about the second controller option. Let's just have one person use one hand and another person use the other hand. Well, the other trigger. But then in the end, I think one of them would be playing the game Southpaw, though. Oh, I guess he can't pull it. Can his brother can? Oh, I get you. So the big brother is strong while the little one is weak, so they have different advantages. And now I couldn't get a grip of it really. Well, oh, I think he wants me to get up there. Okay, got up there. Now just lower the rope down for him. Oh, I had to use 2 analog sticks for this. This control scheme may be a little bit hard to master, because in fact you're actually keeping in track of. Well, we got the dad safely inside. Sorry, that was what. Even though they speak a different language, I think I understand what they're trying to say. So it looked like we're off on a quest to get an item, really, to cure their father. What's this? Oh. Well, that one helpful. I'm guessing he didn't want us to pass, really. Gee. Look like one is afraid of water. So it looks like I have to make sure I don't let go of the trigger. No, I'm not gonna let go. Oh, no, just for the thrill of it. Oh boy! Oh wait, I think he's going inside. Oh! You... You... That little... That little... jerk. Oh. Maybe want to punch him, really. Whoops. Made it. One have an admirer of flowers, really? Oh, and we can rotate the camera. I really want to know what happened when the boy interacts with that flower. Oh, what? That wasn't very nice. Guess all you can do is just sit on the bench, really. We can only climb up, really. Yeah, controlling two characters, well, I think that's a little difficult to grab around because you can't tell who you're controlling, really. Now, where is he to go in? Oh, come on! You could just run to there without just playing a cutscene. Oh, I guess the big one can't go through, really. I wonder if he's afraid of dogs. Oh, come on. I know. I was guessing he was afraid of dogs, but not like this. I would just trap him in that cage, but I might be wasting time. Yeah, serve, serves you right. I meal you cowing chap. If I don't have the sense of that. Which way to go? Let's see what happens if I go this way. Oh, just a gate. Guess I can't go through there. Huh? So he don't mind knocking over. He don't mind knocking over a flower, but he is a cat lover. Let's try with the other brother. I'm not sure if that a good thing or not, really. I bet some people find that adorable. Let's just sit on this little bench for a while, shall we? And admire the scenery. Okay, that's the end of part 1. Check back with me for part 2 later throughout July as I experience this solo co-op adventure. And if you like what you see, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. But until then, I'm Zacharoni. Enjoy your pizza, and I'll see you next time.